Just checked in to Urikaruus and can't open the gate. Yes, really can't open the gate. There we are. We are staying in the honeymoon suite. There we are. That's just parking the car. And up the stairs. Lovely view. Waterhole just there. And into the honeymoon suite. So a nice big double bed. There. Lovely decking area with braai. Really nice view of the waterhole. All down the riverbank. Some ground squirrels there on the floor. Lovely view out the window. Table there. Nice big kitchen. Big fridge freezer. And then the bathroom. All very nice.